sections. This side of the audience, you're going to be cheering for Alex. You might recognize Alex from the movie We Bought a Zoo. After I say action, I want this side to make as much noise as possible. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. Lights, camera, action! That's not too bad. This side of the audience, you're going to be cheering for Reed. You might recognize Reed from the Beverly Hills Chihuahua series. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action! Nice job. Let's explain this audition. Now each dog needs to jump over our human hurdle, maneuver their way through the poles, run through the polka dot chute, jump back over ACL, and then ring the bell, and that's the end of the audition. Remember, make as much noise as possible. The dogs, they love the encouragement. Alex is up first. Let's hear it. Lights, camera, action! Excellent job. So Reed is up next. Let's hear it. Lights, camera, action! Are you okay? Stand up for me, sweetie. We had a little accident on you.
Have you seen the size of their dogs?
Yeah, you know what? That'll dry in no time. How about a round of applause for our human fire hydrant and our birthday boy? Oh, sweetie, thank you so much.